dawai di dokter kita. Nanti dawai tang sebenarnya ngala armet ya langsung tuh ini kita dawai jadi dokter kita itu kita rekam ya. Nanti tang sebenarnya yang ada don menu-menu kita buat penulisan dawai ini dokter kita ya sawan Hani Children Hospital di Dr. Arvita IVF Dr. Arvita ikawan sisin sebenarnya yang gawati
Ka NPP Jirang Block Committee lembaga jingkat kli UMLA ke Jirang Constituency ubasas tenis sotun kila beteng ban aimen siam bat pencelur kisam lapule jongkatan kamtam gitu ke balapas bah hak X-Men SSLC da ke bapen ku buram ikin nyup songut kisam lapule hak program ke belalong hak auditorium jongka CTI Kat Armer Hagani kesengi penkuk buram nalor ubah asas tenis sotun. Laidon langru ubah Victor Rani MDC Gejirang Constituency, u Deputy Commissioner ke District Ribhoy Abilash Baranwal, ki Principal jongki School, ki Samla Pulia bat kibai-kibai. Napdeng ki belasyak penkuk buram la itu kerpang ru ega jingla abanwan cakamat, jong Krishna Koirala naka Little Star Higher Secondary School, ubalayo akandai puway point iwe hindriyo nakasispa, Karupimon Makri Kelas 9 na ke Mount Zion Academy kebelah syadjit ban mi kemat ke District Ribhoy ha ka prepana program kabalong ha Gujarat badi ujoni nongrum ubalayo ke takmak siara ke jeng kon ke Muay Thai World Championships kebelah long Indonesia ha bakrana ke negasngi na kaliang kinong kran kilapan pa ke jeng kemen ban sakhi bakathan jirang lanang kiyo kaliang ke puli puti na ke jeng mi ke samla puli ke bapas ba ha ke ni snam ke belalet no Dah bagi lakit bokit ruang ru iki samla pule bagi nang yai trishtom ban pernai ya kalawe jongki. Kilong show bagi jeng nang jeng start kalong ke koridor tam bak kadeges pa ba kabamla bantu show donuru. Mereka dege jeng minot bat karai ke baskem jeng iki samla bagin ang nuot ban lek bha ki eksamen baper bat komjoru iki tu bala lek bha ha ke jengil akai bat kibe kiliang.
Those who have recently passed and those who have come out with flying colors, I would like to congratulate you, and especially the 17th position, the Shri Krishna Koirala, and all the students who have come out with flying colors. My dear students, this is the beginning of your journey. You should make more and more efforts, study hard, work hard for a better future. The future is yours. If you yourself you can put more efforts, and we have very high hope from me as the local MLA, the principal, the headmaster, headmistress of your schools, the teachers, parents, who have always been your guidance. And remember, when you go for your higher studies, you should always remember that you have to put more efforts how to make your aim come true.